What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the best case for the iPhone 11 from Casetify, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, the packing material does say Casetify all over it, and opening up the packaging for the very first time, we're presented with a cardboard box that says Casetify as well. Opening that up, we're presented with the case itself for the iPhone 11. Casetify is known for making very unique cases, and as you can see, this case doesn't disappoint. The case itself is very soft and feels great in the hand. Without further delay, let's go ahead and install the iPhone 11 into the case, starting off with the left side followed by the right. The case has a raised front edge, helping to ensure no scratches on the display when placing the iPhone 11 face down on a flat surface. This case is made for those that are constantly on the go and provides military-grade protection. The case is engineered with a two-layer construction. The case is made out of an impact-absorbent Chi-Tech material, and as you can see, has reinforced corners. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, we have cutouts for both speaker grills, along with a cutout for the lightning port. On the right side is a cutout for the power sleep wake button, and on the left side is a cutout for the mute switch and our volume up and down buttons. And on the back is a cutout for that triple camera system, microphone, and flash. We also get a little bit of Casetify branding. So this case is military drop test approved, so it will withstand drops. So this will protect your iPhone 11. Also, once again, it does have reinforced corners for shock absorption. And it's nearly fully transparent, so you can still see the exact color of your iPhone 11. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.